Hello, it's Courtney King with King Realty and Management. I'm here today. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I wanted to talk a little bit about what our focus is right now, because I've had some people ask me, so Courtney, what do? You see me post on property management, on sales, listings that we have coming up, buyers maybe that we're showing around. But our real passion has to do with investing. So I wanted to talk a little bit about something that we're really focusing on for the last quarter of this year into next year, and that is partnering with homeowners and investors. So if you scroll down my page, you'll see earlier today I posted a property, before and after pictures of this property in Fort Worth. And what we did, just to kind of give you a brief Snapchat, what we did with that investor is the investor had the asset, so he owned this property, and then we had the real estate experience, we have our rehab company, we have all the market data, and we partnered with that investor. So that investor didn't necessarily have the money to spend on rehabbing the property, but he wanted to get top dollar. So we partnered with him on the flip, and we were able, with spending about $25,000, we were able to add about $50,000 in value and make sure that he gets top dollar. Guys, I listed that property 3 days ago. It's already under contract. Great deal, and the client's happy. So really what I wanted to say was, if you are a homeowner, especially, I know personally some baby boomers and some that are in the older generations where they have this asset, they have this house, but let's say they don't have the money to fix it up. Let's say just they're on a fixed income, and over time they haven't had the money to put back into it in terms of repairing foundation and stuff like that. So that's on the homeowner side. Or on the investor side, let's say you're an investor and you know what, the property hasn't been cash flowing that much, so you haven't really been able to put back into the property. So what do? Do you just kind of let it go? Or do you want a solution to help you get top dollar and help you make moves with the property? And that's where partnering with us comes in. So let's take it from two different perspectives. If you are that homeowner and you have this property and you're feeling stuck, especially in today's market, there are so many creative things that we can do when you partner with us. So we could bring our rehab company and put you in touch with people that will carry the costs of renovating your property and coming up with solutions to pay that off, but also make sure that you either are able to refinance or you're able to sell the property for top dollar. So in a nutshell, that's briefly how we can partner with you. Every situation, every homeowner is a little bit different. So that's where we come in and we analyze the property. We analyze your situation. We get a better idea of what exactly you're trying to achieve. And then we come up with 4 or 5 different options for you. And we partner with you and we walk you through each step so you're not alone and you don't feel like, oh my God, this is overwhelming. So that's one perspective. The other perspective, if you're an investor, we do the same thing. We look at your property now. We look at how much equity that you have. We look at what needs to be done, and we look at your kind of long-term strategy, whether it be to hold on to it, get higher rents, refinance, liquidate, take your money out, put it in a 1031 and move it to another market or move it into another property. That's what you can expect if you partner with us. Guys, we don't want homeowners and investors feeling like they're alone. And I know that especially in the market that we're in right now, there's a lot of people out there that will sell you either pipe dreams or want to get your property on pennies on the dollar. And so what we're saying is you have options. So if you are one of those people that feels completely stuck and you want us to take a look at your different options, how you can make it a win-win, how we can come right alongside you and partner with you to get you to where you want to be, then that's what we're here to do. And honestly, that's kind of my passion. And if my dad were here with me right now, he would explain the same thing. So if you go to our website, kingrealtytx.com/partner, I'm going to type it in a post in the comments a little bit later today when I'm done with this. But kingrealtytx.com/partner. You can type in your information. You can let us know if you're a homeowner or you're an investor and type a brief blurb about some kind of help that you need or what you want to do with your property. There's absolutely no obligation, but I'm happy to take a look at your property, take a look at your situation, and let you know how we can partner with you so that you achieve everything that you're trying to achieve, whether that be to sell the property for top dollar, whether that be to use this property to supplement your income, turn it into a rental property and get top dollar rents. So anything that you put your mind to and you want to do, we have solutions for that. So I actually have somebody in my own family that feels completely held hostage by their property. And so we've come in and we've said, hey, these are the steps that you can take. This is what you can do. And if you do not have the money, again, that's where we come in and we partner so that we can make it a win-win. So kingrealtytx.com/partner. If you know of any homeowners that kind of feel a little bit bogged down by their property, not sure what to do, tell them to message me, or you can tag them below. I know some people don't want their business out there like that, so tell them to message me, and I'm happy to talk with them. Again, there's no pressure, but we want to make sure that both homeowners and investors are empowered to take advantage of what great market that we're in right now here all over Texas. So again, kingrealtytx.com/partner. You can follow us all over social media. We're at King Realty DFW on Instagram and Twitter, although I'm not really on Twitter that much. So, and then King Realty TX on YouTube. And obviously you're here joining me on Facebook. So we'd love to partner with you. And so if you want to explore some options, we are happy to explore it with you so that you're comfortable and so that you can make moves in your life and continue to move forward and do awesome things in this world. So I will talk to you guys a little bit later this week. Thanks so much for listening, and hope you have a great rest of the day.